Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 16.1 question number 3. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give results for the steps involved. Let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 here is 1 a into a is equal to 9a. Here you see that the multiplication of a with a itself gives a number whose ones digit is a again. You see a into a is a. That means the multiplication of a, the multiplication the multiplication the multiplication of a with a multiplication of a with a gives a number gives a number gives a number whose ones digit whose ones digit whose ones digit ones digit is again a is again a, and this can happen only when this can happen this can happen only when a is equal to 1 1 5 or 6 is equal to 1 5 or 6, because 1 into 1 comes again 1. If we multiply 5 with 5, 5 into 5, 5 into 5, then the unit place is again 5. Same. We multiply 6 with 6, 6 is a 36. We are getting against the unit place as the same number, right? If a is equal to 1, now if we take a is equal to 1, if we take a is equal to 1, then we are getting a equal to 1, that is 1 to 1 is 1, then you are getting 11 1 ja 11, right? But this is not possible, right? Because the answer is 9a, then it is not possible. This answer is wrong. Therefore a is equal to 1 is not possible. A is equal to 1 is not possible. Not possible. Now if we take a is equal to 5, if we take a is equal to 5, then what you are getting? 1 5 into 5, and we are getting 5 is 25, 2 carry, it is 5. 5 is 5 plus 2 is 75. And here the answer is 9a, right? This is not also possible, because this is the 75, but this is 9a. The test digit is 9. This is also not possible. Therefore, a is equal to 5 is not possible. A is equal to 5 is not possible. Is not possible. If we take a is equal to 6, if we take A is equal to 6. 6, then we are getting 1, 6 into 6 into 6. It is 6 is 36. 3. It is 6. 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9, 96. And that is we are getting the same, right? Therefore, you can say the value of A is 6. Therefore, the value of A is 6. Therefore, the value of A is 6. That is the answer. The value of A is 6. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.